2G solutions can be supplied in various forms to the customer, as a genset only, including heat extraction recovery, but also as fully integrated enclosures, as you see them here in my background. These enclosures allow for an easy plug-and-play installation to the customer's site and are shipped overseas around the world. The enclosures are manufactured in parallel to the module and the control system. We do that by utilizing the dummy that you can see behind me that allows 2G to have these three items manufactured in parallel to one another. 2G enclosure systems, as you can see by myself being a 1.80 m person, are quite spaciously designed to accommodate not only the module and control electronics, but also all other required peripherals inside of the enclosure. 2G offers those in various sizes, such as 6 m lengths, 9 m lengths, up to 15 m in total, while having each of them 3 m wide and 3 m high. That allows for easy access of all components, both during installation and also for maintenance work. Speaking about system integration, that does not only involve interior components, but of course also the exterior one. I'm standing here on top of a 15 to 3 to 3 m container that we currently install a 2 MW engine in. As you can see here on the rooftop, we have installed various equipment such as air ventilation ducting, exhaust silencer and exhaust gas heat exchanger, table-type radiators, as well as a catalyst to reduce exhaust emissions. During the manufacturing process, in overall, everything is assembled and tested so that before shipping we ensure that the system is working properly. After these tests have been conducted, everything is being disassembled again, prepared for shipping, and then headed for the customer. Speaking about megawatt class units, 2G is working with several well-renowned companies in that sector so that we ensure that always the most fitting system is supplied according to the customer demand and specific project requirements. In that sense, by its own project engineering, 2 ensures a maximum of quality and maximum of customer adjustment for a reliable, highly efficient and long-lasting system. And this is how the finished system enclosure looks like. The module is installed, the control cabinet is connected, and also all other required peripherals are installed. Piping and wiring has been completely finished so that once it arrives at the customer's site, in just a matter of days, the system can be installed and is ready for operation. Furthermore, 2G offers their system enclosures in various sound levels to accommodate the different requirements. The standard being 65 decibel and 10 meter distance, but also lower sound levels are required depending on the customer situation.